Let's see what happens here. Did I just hit a wire? I love my new barbecue. Well, hello YouTube, and welcome back to Retired for Life. So I'm hoping in this video that we are going to get the rest of these boards on this side up to the door anyway. It has been so staggeringly hot and humid. I have to admit I've been ducking a lot of this work, but we need to get it done. So let's get to work. So we are making pretty good progress here. We're getting around our obstacles. So we've got that one in for our bedroom AC unit. This is the power line that goes down to the deck and over to the lawnmower shed tractor. This vent is for the downstairs bathroom. That one was a stinker to get in. That's for the upstairs bathroom. Now these are just in here temporarily, the vents. I got to take them out just to make it easier for staining. And I still have to put the extension on the bottom of these two boards to bring them down to the same as these. But we are now going to get into the fun part. So this is a 2.5 inch screw. So my boards are 2 inches thick. And then we have got the black wall board underneath that to go through and so on and so forth. So I'm hoping that even if I line up with a wire accidentally, this won't go far enough in to actually catch a wire. I wonder what it looks like when you hit a wire with this. Did I just hit a wire? No spark. I'm good. All right, I got my first board here laid out. I know the distance between the two boards, so I've placed my next board over to it with that 1 inch gap and laid out the other half of the circle. So I'm going to cut this so I take out the magic mark, and that should make this one ready to go up. And this one partially. I still have to cut a box opening for the plug in this one. So there's no issue with the top of this board. I've got no wires up here. All right, we got that one. It looks like we were just a bit high there. So I think we're good now. We've got pretty much a location to go all the way across here. All right, folks, so let's see what we've got. So I've got to get my board to go up against my spacers, to go up against the top soffit, and to fit around the dryer exhaust and this plug. And to make things just that much easier, this plug box was installed a bit crooked. I don't really care about that. I can angle the plug a bit and put my cover on top of that, but no idea why that's like that. Anyway, let's see what happens here. Well, I'm pretty happy with that. You would almost think I know what I'm doing, but we know better. All right, let's get some screws in this. Well, we're making good progress here. We're up to the window, and so far we haven't shorted anything out. So we've got our next board here up on the sawhorses ready to be cut out for the window. So there's our board there. I need to cut out about a 3¼ inch notch from it in order for it to properly fit around the window. So we're going to do a plunge cut there with the circular saw and then use the jigsaw to finish it up. All right, folks, so we are down to 13½ inches from the edge of this board to the edge of our wall. So what I'm going to do is cut our last 2 boards at 6 inches wide and spread it out just so we don't end up with like a narrow 4-inch board right at the end kind of thing. I don't want that. I love my new barbecue. Well, that's it. We made it. We've got all the boards on up as far as the door. So the next step is to do a bit of sanding up on the soffit boards to get them cleaned up and get them ready for stain. And I've got one more extension piece to put on over here underneath our meter. But yeah, we have made really good progress. Well, folks, I think that's going to be it for today's video. I'm just getting this sanded all along here to get it ready for stain, and we'll see how it goes after that. So, as always, thank you very much for coming along. If you've been finding these videos interesting or maybe a little entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to have you subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps the channel out quite a bit. So remember to stay safe out there, folks. Be good to each other, and we will see you out on the trails the next time. That's some kind of fun.